always hear how scary nursing school is, how you're on your own and alone with it. But at RCoN, it's the complete opposite. We are not alone. We have so much support from everywhere.
We both went to a larger university where there was a student body of 25,000, and you're just a number at that point. The professors are so in tune, and they know your name, and they can tell whenever you're having a good day, whenever you're having a bad day, and they very much want to know you on a personal level.
I think someone should come to Research College of Nursing over other nursing programs because of how dedicated the faculty are to making sure that you have all the knowledge you need to become a good nurse. And then you have endless opportunities to go whichever area you want to go, depending if you want to go into peds or geriatrics. Every faculty has a specialty, and so they're able to connect you with those managers to get you to the place where you want to be.
I've worked in hospice for like 8 or 9 years, so I've worked with some physicians, and when you talk to a physician, they're like, we really enjoy working with research grads because they know if they like call and give an order, or if there's an issue, whenever they speak with that research grad, they're competent in what they're talking to them about. So I just knew I was going to get a real quality education. I was going to be able to care for my patients adequately and safely.
We all come from so many different walks of life. The cohort is so diverse. You have students who are young and they're just starting. You have students who they already have a career and they're making a change. You have students who they're grandparents and they wanted to finally make that leap and become a nurse. And you have students like me who were parents and we're switching careers.
Our classes are set up in a way that it doesn't matter where you're coming from. You're gonna learn all of the things you need to, and you're not gonna feel left behind. If you're thinking about it, then just do it. It's a great program, and I'm so happy. I've never felt so like this is where I should be. I finally feel happy with where I'm going. I feel like this is a career that I'm really gonna love.